Why is a squirrel? Why is a squirrel on the knob? Why is squirrel? Wow.
Where's the squirrel?
Is there a squirrel?
Wait, who's your squirrel? Who's your squirrel? Who is it? What's his name?
Sambo.
Sambo? Really?
Yes.
She your sister?
No, it's my sister's friend. Why are we making cakes? Why
Huh?
are we making cakes on the back porch?
Cakes?
Yeah. Why are you making cakes?
I don't know.
We have a little spinner thingy.
That's not a cake thingy.
It's a spinner thingy.
Spinner thingy?
I must be making cakes.
Making cakes? Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
I will.
I think that's what you call a paint stirrer.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know.
The cat's fur ball. He puked it out. Ew.
We'll laugh when you get knocked upside the head.
Okay. Cramp in my pants. Ugh.
Okay, I think that's good.